How to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone if you have iOS or Android, and then go to apps. Go to apps, and now all what you have to do is open the Instagram, and now all what you have to do is go to the permissions and make sure to enable those permissions like me, and go back and then go to this open by default option. Click here on open supported links in the app. Make sure to choose always allow. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then click on force stop and restart your phone, and then reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. See you later. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.